We still been cleaning. We got Wookie and Kylo on the hunt. We ain't been able to find anything yet, but he's on the move. He's gonna find this before it's over with. These mice got to go. Good job, Wookie. Good kitty. So, funny story, Leland, little fella, he got in this car with us this morning, and we started driving. We're still in East Tennessee, just ain't been in it about 15 minutes. We start hearing this squeak. And I told Leland, I said, man, that's bad. I said, we're going to fix that squeak. And I mean, it was a bunch of squeaks. Bad thing was that it was squeaking while we wasn't moving, sitting in the middle of Maryville, Tennessee. Got me to thinking, B-A-D, bad. Checking the air filter box here. Yeah. Found a little food storage situation. Lori, Cam's granddad sold it to us. He retired, and it's in pretty good shape. The reason we're showing you all this is because it's taking the place of the FJ Cruiser daily driver. The FJ is just going to rest. This guy's going to get me back and forth to work. I've been having to drive the FJ every day, and you know how it is. It's fun, but I just don't want to daily drive our overland vehicle. So this is the back seat out of the Corolla. I started smelling something. I was like, I know that smell. And pulled this seat out. Over here, right in this area, set a big old mouse nest. And the fresh one. And Pappy just retired. He quit driving this car. And so we believe that that's when they started building the nest and trying to live in this guy. I'm going to do the same thing Pappy did with it. He's got a real nice Tacoma that he's driving this back and forth to work. As you can see, I've gutted it looking for these mice that were squeaking this morning. I can't find them anywhere. Right here's, if you ever get in this situation, they bringing in acorns right through that hole there. And there was about 5 or 6 in the back of this trunk they've been eating on. So, hence, this mess. I'm defumigating this thing, knocking it out. Trying to get rid of this smell. So, it's got 223,000 miles on it. It's a 2003 model. We're going to bring it back to life. It needs a little bit of maintenance. My goal is to make sure my sons learn how to work on things. So he's going to learn to work on this. Both of them going to learn to work on the FJ. We got a lot of content coming around just minor maintenance that needs to be done to a 200,000 plus mile Corolla. Thank y'all for watching.